Hi, let's make a smoothie. Welcome. I wanted to show you some ideas for making a smoothie to get your greens in every day, sometimes to know how to taste them. So there are obviously many different ways to make a smoothie. You really can put anything you want in it. This is just the way that I like to do it. So just start with some water in your blender. Depending on how much you need to make, if it's just for yourself or for someone else. I'm starting with a cup here. And then I like to do the frozen stuff first, just because I feel like I don't know, if it's closer to the blade, I feel like maybe it blends faster or better. I don't know if that's true or not, but we're gonna give that a go. So I like to start with strawberries. These are just strawberries that we bought a bunch of flats of strawberries and then just cut them and froze them. Same thing with bananas here, so a banana in there. There are lots of things you can add to it, depending on what you like. I like to use peanut butter powder, so that's something that you can use for flavoring. Another really great thing is this flaxseed. There's a lot of really great nutritional benefits to flaxseed, to get and some good nutrients. So that's something that I would recommend, and I will use that here. Another idea you can use, if you do like to use protein powders, you can do that. I sometimes do, depending on the day. So there's all sorts of different kinds of protein powders, whatever works for you. For right now, today, I'm just going to make a regular, just a fruit smoothie. And then, of course, your greens. So this is the part where you kind of stuff it all in there. And sometimes I like to put an apple in there, or I'll put a lemon in there for some nice freshness, to kind of just depending on what you want. And once you have what you want in there, you give it a blend up. Then another thing, if you would like to, if it's not quite as sweet as you would like, you can add, I just use these stevia packets just to add a little bit of sweetness without, adding to the glycemic index. So if that's something that you'd like to do, you can. I definitely wouldn't recommend adding sugar or anything like that, but if you'd like a little bit more sweetness, you can. And then just give that another blend. Okay. And then once you're ready, just pour it in your glass and enjoy. Have a great day.